Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download the Messenger application on your mobile device. Now let's begin. Simply open the Play Store or App Store depending upon the device you are using. As I am using an Android device, I'm gonna go to the Play Store. Right here, you can see I have opened up Play Store. Now you can scroll down and look at all the apps and features. But right now, we simply want to install Messenger. On the top, there's a text box. Simply click on it. Now type Messenger. Once you've typed Messenger, simply hit on Enter. Now all the results related to Messenger will be obtained. Right here is the Messenger application that we want to install. You can simply install it by clicking on this button right here. Else, if you want more information, simply click on the Messenger icon right here. Then you'll be redirected to a page like this. Simply scroll down and you can look at all the details regarding this app. You can also rate this app and all. So let's hit on the install button right here. As you can see, the Messenger application is being installed. Well guys, as you can see, we have successfully installed the Messenger application. Now simply hit on open, enter your details, and there you have it. We have installed Messenger in our mobile device. Well guys, that's it. That's how you install Messenger on your mobile device. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.